Doors swing open, cups align. Morning smiles, the light is fine. Steam is rising, beans are ground. Foreign words and hometown sounds. Coffee days begin again. Laughter pouring with a plan. Tables fill with maps and dreams. In the sunlight's golden beams. Music low, a distant bell. Someone shares a tale to tell. Locals traverse side by side. New connections open wide. Cups collide.